Good morning, dear students. Now we have reached the last part of lesson 14. The name of the lesson is Our Metropolitan Cities, Part 4, Chennai. Earlier you have studied about the states of India and its capital cities. So let me ask some questions. Name the capital of Maharashtra state. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Then name the capital of West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Then tell me the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Now in this session we are going to study about Chennai in detail. Then Chennai was called Madras earlier. Chennai was known as Madras earlier, and all important offices of the government of Tamil Nadu are located in Chennai. Next, let us discuss the industries. Chennai is known for its cotton textile industry. What is Chennai famous for? Chennai is famous for its cotton textile industry, and railway coaches are made in India at Perambur near Chennai. At Perambur near Chennai, railway coaches are made in India. Then already we have studied that India's first atomic plant is Baba Atomic Research Center. Here in Chennai there is an atomic power plant that is situated at Kalpakkam. Then next let us discuss the life of the people in Chennai. Then Tamil is the language spoken in Chennai. People speak Tamil in Chennai. The Tamil is the official language of the people of Tamil Nadu. Then rice is the main food of the people in Chennai, and they also like sambar, rasam, idli, dosha and so on. Then and also the most popular festival that celebrated in Chennai or Tamil Nadu is Pongal. Pongal is the most famous or popular festival in Tamil Nadu, and it is a harvest festival and which lasts for 3 days. So children, Pongal is the harvest festival. It is celebrated on the month of January and it lasts for 3 days. Then Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the famous classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Name the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the popular classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Then the climate of Chennai is warm. The climate of Chennai is warm or hot throughout the year. Now we have discussed that the state language is Tamil, and the main food of the people in Tamil Nadu is rice, and the most popular festival in Tamil Nadu is Pongal, which is celebrated on the month of January. Then the climate of Chennai is warm throughout the year. Then next let us discuss the important places in Chennai. Then Georgetown is a busy place in Chennai. That is the northern part of Chennai. It is an old city. Georgetown is an old city in Chennai. Then Chennai is an important seaport. That is Chennai Port. Chennai Port is an important seaport in India. Already we have studied that about port. What is a port? A port is a place where ships load or unload goods. A port is a place or city where ships load or unload goods like different food products, vehicles, machineries, food grains like rice, wheat, etc. Then there is a long beautiful beach called the Marina Beach is situated in Chennai. Do you know Marina Beach is one of the beautiful beach in our country which attracts lot of tourists from all over the country, and it is the longest beach in India, and Marina Beach is also the second longest beach in the world. Then let us discuss some other tourist interest in Chennai. Then they are the VGP Golden Beach, St. Thomas Cathedral, Fort St. George, Art Gallery, Snake Park, Parthasarathi Temple and Kishkinda. They are the attractive places in Chennai. Then VGP Golden Beach is a great attraction for children. Then St. Thomas Cathedral also situated in Chennai. Fort St. George is another attraction of Chennai. Fort means it is a strong building used by soldiers for protecting that place. Fort is a strong building which is used by soldiers earlier for protecting that particular place. Then, and also art gallery is there in Chennai, Snake Park is there in Chennai, Parthasarathi Temple is there in Chennai, and Kishkinda. Kishkinda is one of the beautiful amusement park which attracts a lot of tourists and kids from all over the country. Then the famous politician, C. Rajagopal Achari, belongs to Chennai. Then the full form of C. Rajagopal Achari is Chakravarti Rajagopal Achari. He was a famous politician. He also belongs to Chennai. Then great mathematician. His name is Ramanujan, who lived in Chennai. Name the Indian mathematician who lived in Chennai. That is Ramanujan. Ramanujan is a great Indian mathematician who lived in Chennai. Now we have completed this lesson. I hope you all understood this part very well. If you are having any doubt, call me. Then read the textbook well and study the new words. Complete the notebook and textbook exercises. Thank you. See you in the next class.